you lift up the arm and you just put that bracket right underneath the arm, tie a string to it. This was just one of our old failed designs. We tried a couple different length rods to get it to have the rod the right length. So the wheels are up and off of the, I just bought those casters at Lowe's. Material list, we bought one 8-foot 1x1, or 3/4 by 3/4 actually, out of the molding area, and bought 3 2x2s. So it used a little bit more material than I thought it would need, but again, mounted the whole thing onto a 3/4 inch deck. Glued a couple guide boards on the inside just to create a smooth area. That could probably be a little narrower to create better accuracy. You want to be real careful that you don't get your arm or face or anything up above the trebuchet when it's loaded, because that if that trigger slipped out, that arm comes up there at quite a speed. So now I'll load it, basically just putting the golf ball into the pocket of the pouch, slide that back. I've made a little loop off of a key fob or something, and the nail on the end, and that took a little bit of design work too, to figure out what angle of the nail, what angle that nail should be that sticks out the end. Some of the trebuchet kits have an adjustable arm that allow that nail to move different directions. So then make sure it's pulled tight. That's the key. When it's, because you don't want slack there, so if it's pulled tight, sometimes it worked better if you had it sitting up, sometimes not. We'll try it up this time. Occasionally a misfire will happen, hopefully it doesn't hit the truck. But here's another firing of the trebuchet. You just get your rope, pull that thing out of there, make sure I'm zoomed out so I can hopefully track the golf ball, and off it launches. So it actually launches that golf ball about 70 feet or so from this design with this weight. You can up the weights on it as well. It would give it more energy. However, at that point the rod starts to bend. We're just using a standard 5/16 threaded rod to make that happen. So there's the trebuchet and the designs. For the most part, like I said, I don't have actual measurement designs for this because we just kind of winged it. We did find that we needed to put extra wood on the inside of the tracks because the wheels were catching on the side pieces, and you can't have that happen. So we just solved that by making this deck wider for the wheels. And if you wanted to really up this a lot, use a weight bench bar or something that was more robust to hold your weights. Make your slot bigger, of course, and then use a 2x2 launching rod, or maybe even a vertical board 1x3 or something like that, that would be thicker but allow you to put more weight on it and not stress fracture or something like that. So pretty neat for a physics project, and hope you